Okay, well, I thought I had said everything I had to say about Qatar in my videos that I did around Eid last spring. That's when I had gone to Doha from Khobar in Saudi Arabia by car with the family. But now I'm in the airport in transit, and I'd forgotten how impressive this airport is. It's not my first time in transit, but you know, I thought I'd just crown the series with the life of this bustling hub, this cosmopolitan city, this cosmopolitan country, and the Arabian Peninsula, which is right in the middle of the world, right? Between the continents, and a real hub for all sorts of activity, expats, trade, oil, geopolitics. Fascinating place. I mean, you know, an airport's an airport, but now Qatar does things a bit differently. For one thing, they've got a tropical rainforest in the middle of the airport.
I'm Dr. Jason Idriss Sparkes, street scholar and poet, exploring visions of the good life and beauty in Islamic contexts with you.
The other thing is it's more like a luxury shopping mall than an airport. They've got all the brands, you know. If you got the money, they got the stuff.
If you're enjoying my explorations of beauty and excellence in Islamic contexts. Please feel free to share the love by liking, commenting, sharing your thoughts, subscribing, and of course, offering a prayer